Okay, good afternoon all. Welcome to lecture number 2 of this projection of this orthographic projection. कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे कल पूछा कि सर पर्सनल मैसेज करके कि सर ये कंसेप्ट में नहीं पता चला हमें कि हाउ द प्लेन्स हैव बीन डिफाइंड. सो हम थोड़ा सा देखेंगे प्लेन्स कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं एंड उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपना नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस लेक्चर. Okay, so what is plane? I'll just share the PPT and we'll see what is that plane. Okay. So this is engineering graphics, orthographic projection, lecture number 2. As you know, my name is Sachin Tolkar. I'm assistant professor in mechanical engineering department, Navosayada. Now, ये हमने कल एक slide देखा था that I'll explain you again in Hindi and English both. So what we mean by plane? So if you can imagine any type of plane object. So this is one file. I'll just stop sharing and then okay. So एक फाइल है. ये फाइल के सामने अगर आप देखेंगे कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट रखा, that object will be, suppose this object I have kept here. Okay. So you can see its front view. उसका फ्रंट व्यू आप देख सकते हैं. आप उसका टॉप व्यू देखने के लिए आपको ऊपर की साइड से जाना पड़ेगा. आपका साइड व्यू देखने के लिए आपको एक साइड से उसको ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ेगा. So that is the only concept of first angle method of projection that we are going to see here. Some students are still in the waiting room. I'll admit them. Okay. So ये first angle method of projection जैसा मैंने बताया आपको. In this method, the object is assumed to be situated in first quadrant, means in front of you, in front of observer, and the object is in between observer and plane. Plane और observer के बीच में वो object रहेगा, and that we have to see from front side, top side, and left hand side. That is the only concept of this first angle method of projection, and that's why this language is very popular in engineers. ये सबसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज है, इसकी वजह से ये पॉपुलर है. तो यू कैन सी इन वर्टिकल प्लेन, ये वर्टिकल प्लेन है जो आप देख रहे हैं, उस पे आपको फ्रंट व्यू दिखेगा, टॉप व्यू दिखेगा, दैट विल बी ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. टॉप व्यू आप ऊपर से देख रहे हैं तो इट विल बी ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, एंड साइड व्यू विल बी ऑन this PP, which is parallel plane, or we can say the side plane. Now we have seen these three examples. I'll show you again for revision purpose. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वर अगर इस डायरेक्शन में देख रहा है तो he will see this purple color, this and this color. ये दो कलर ही सिर्फ वो देख पाएगा, and that's why the two colored faces will be seen, and that's why you can observe it like this. So a large rectangle and one small rectangle inside it. So these two planes will be visible only from front side. Similarly, from top side, we have seen yesterday, that is, these two planes will be visible. These three planes, sorry, this one, and this one. So these three planes will be visible from top side. And from side view, we'll see these three planes, this blue colored plane and these two blue colored planes. So these three planes will be seen here. Now, how to draw the orthographic projections? Orthographic projections draw करने के लिए आपको XY line, XY plane define करना पड़ेगा. Then you have to show the front view above the XY line, top view below the XY line, और उसके लिए आपको प्रोजेक्शन लेना है. आपको सेम प्रोजेक्शन सेम लाइंस पे ही को ड्रॉ करना है with the help of scale, and this is left hand side view. Okay, some students are admitting still. आप जरा बी प्रॉम्प्ट, बीच बीच में आके आप थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब करेंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा आप मुझे भी, because we are recording all these things. Okay. Now this is second example we have seen yesterday. ये हमने देखा है कल. You will see these blue planes only. This one, and this one that you have drawn here as a front view. In case of top view, you will see these these two planes, 1 and 2, and due to this hidden edge, ये edge hidden है, इसकी वजह से वहां पे there will be dotted line. So this plane I have drawn here, rectangular plane. This total plane I have drawn here, and this hidden line is representing this hidden portion. Okay, so dotted line will represent a hidden portion. जो दिखता नहीं है वो भी आपको दिखाना है with the help of dotted line, that you have to remember. And in side view again, in side view you cannot see the edge here, इसलिए यहाँ पे वो edge dotted दिखाया है. You cannot see the edge here from this side, so that's why this has been shown. Only you can see this yellow portion, so that's why we are going to draw the orthographic projections like this: front view, top view, and side view. Now you might have observed this LH side view is written. So left hand side view is on right side in first angle method of projection, that you have to remember. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का व्यू राइट हैंड में आता है, राइट हैंड साइड का व्यू लेफ्ट हैंड में आता है. So this left hand side view has been shown here on right hand side of front view. Front view के right side में दिख रहा है, लेकिन उसका नाम दिया हमने LHS view, that you have to remember. Now third example, just yesterday we have seen. So in this case you can only see this portion. यही portion आपको दिख रहा है to your perpendicular projections. Perpendicular projection के लिए आपको उतना ही दिख रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ dotted दिखाया हुआ है. Why it has been shown dotted? Because it is hidden portion inside. ये छोटा वाला cut जो आपको दिख रहा है, that has been cut here, and that's why it is a hidden portion, and we have shown it with the help of dotted line or hidden line. Then this one, this is a top view. Top view में आप देख सकते हैं this portion will be seen, this C-shaped portion, this portion and this portion will be seen. So I have shown here C-shaped portion, this portion, this portion. Again, this is also visible, so it has been shown here. But here there is one hidden edge throughout, so that's why I have shown it dottedly. Similarly, here it is one hidden view or hidden edge that has been shown by dotted line. So this is a top view. And then last one, that is your side view. In case of side view, you can see this portion will be visible, this portion will be visible, this portion will be visible, and this will be visible. So when you are going to draw with the help of pencils, you have to find out first which portion will be visible from that view. And we have shown here these portions. Again, this line will be dotted and this line also will be dotted. Oh, sorry, this line will be visible here because it has been cut in between. ये कट है, इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे पूरा लाइन दिखेगा आपका. So this is your front view, this is your top view, and this is your side view. Okay. Now, अभी हम आगे, हमारा रिवीजन हो गया, हमने कल तक का सब देखा है. अभी आज हम देखेंगे how to draw pictorial representation of this or orthographic view. इसका ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू हम देखेंगे. Now you can imagine that this yellow portion, this yellow portion, this yellow portion, and this yellow portion will be visible to us, and this portion is not visible to us. That's why we can draw it dottedly. So what we are going to do, we are going to find out first this portion outline, then this portion, and we'll draw the dotted line of this portion. So front view will be developed like this. ये portion है, ये continuous line दिखेगा आपको नीचे, ये ऊपर तक continuous line दिखेगा. Then this triangular line will be also continuously shown. ये continuously दिखेगा. And attached to that continuous line, this small triangular portion will be seen here. Similarly, for this portion, we are going to draw a dotted line with the help of proper, you can say, we are going to use proper scales. हम scale use करेंगे, proper dimensioning use करेंगे और उसके बाद ही. Now you can see here, this portion will be seen completely. This portion will be seen and this portion will be seen. So what we are going to draw here, this larger rectangular portion with one small rectangle cut, and this is a rectangular portion and this one is a small rectangular portion. So your top view will be completed. Similarly, for side view, we can see this portion, as this is inclined, ये incline है, इसी वजह से side view में भी आपको ये rectangular दिखेगा, and this small rectangular face will be seen. Again, here it will be a dotted line. ये dotted line भी आपको दिखेगा. So this is your diagram of side view. In side view, this portion is shown here. ये छोटा वाला rectangular portion. Then यहाँ पे that will be a complete rectangular portion, and this dotted line is been shown. ये dotted line आपको दिखेगा. So this is your side view or LHS side view of that particular object. So this is front view, this is top view, and this is side view. You don't have to do this homework. ये part आपको नहीं करना है, आपको directly यही draw करना है. This is only for imagination purpose. We have shown it for imagination purpose. Because orthographic projection अगर आपको पता चला, तो आप isometric projection आपका जो next unit है वो भी कर सकते हैं. यानी they will give you this type of diagrams and you have to draw this. This is also easy kind of thing. Only imagination is required. Imagination जिसका अच्छा है उसको वो अच्छे से जान होता है. Okay. So next, sorry. Now in this case, this bluish portion will be seen and this line will be dotted. That we have to remember. So what we'll see one by one. So this portion is visible, this M-shaped portion is visible, and this is visible, this is visible, this is visible, this triangular portion is visible, but it will be visible only as two edges, and this in between edge has been shown here. Similarly, in top view, this yellow portion, this yellow portion, this small portion, and this yellow portion will be visible. So it will be shown like this. So this is a rectangle. There's a small rectangle inside, and this is one edge. This M portion is there, and the side portions are there. These are called as ribs that we have to show as a rectangular ribs. Side view, you know, in side view only this portion is visible and all others will be dotted lines. This will be dotted line, this will be dotted line, this will be dotted line. So we are going to show here. Okay, they are not shown here, but we'll show in side view here. Okay, so this dotted line, and this dotted line, all three will be your dotted portions shown in the side view. So it is very important to show dotted lines also, because without that you cannot imagine what is the actual object. This is one kind of flange that we use on mechanical equipments. So its front view will be this one, this base portion, this rib, and this circular portion. Always remember, the circles will be seen as a rectangle in front view. In case of top view, you can see it's circular shape. So in top view, you can see the rib like this. And in side view, you can see this portion, and this circular portion as a rectangle. Okay, so only one view will give you the exact idea of circle. All other views will be seen like this. So that's why we have to draw center line and dotted lines to, you can say, show the circular portion. Okay, then the seventh example. This will be your visible part. This will be invisible part. So that will be shown in dotted lines. Okay, they have changed the sequence, but same. This front view, top view, and side view with dotted lines. Here in this diagram, they are not shown the dotted lines, but here we have to show it because this portion is above this portion. That's why it has been hidden. So we have to show a hidden portion by dotted lines. Similarly, top view and a side view. Now this is some different kind of shapes. You can see it's front view and top view like this. So you can see, if you will imagine, this triangular portion will be seen here, and this another triangular portion will be seen here. So here front and top view will be, front view will be like this. In case of top view, what you will see, there is a concentrated point. Yeah, this. Then this rectangular portion is there. This triangular inclined face will be seen like this. You have to take the projections from these points to get exact dimensions. And this will be seen, and again this small triangular portion will be seen. So this is the diagram of front view and top view of this particular diagram. Now today's last example. This is also one kind of flange coupling. So we are going to find out its front view. In front view, you will see this portion, this base portion with a circular, you can say circular face. This rib is there and this rectangular portion is there. And these two edges will be seen as dotted lines. Getting? In top view, what we'll see, we'll observe this portion, this rectangular portion, and these three ribs. So this is actually one rib, but this circular portion has some projection outside. So if I'll take the projections from this point, I'll get these 2 points, these 2 lines as top view. And in case of side view, we can see this L-shaped portion, this rib, and this circular portion as a rectangle. And then we are going to show the dotted lines for this particular point. We are going to have this dotted line. For this particular point, we will have this dotted line. And for this particular edge, we are going to see one dotted line. For this edge, we are going to see this dotted line in side view. Now, these are some examples for illustration purpose. In tomorrow's lecture, what we are going to see, some particular objects which are having same front view, top view, side view. It will be somewhat, you can say, entertaining kind of thing. So to learn, हम देखेंगे कुछ entertaining examples देखेंगे जिसका front view, top view और side view भी same आता है. Maybe वो आपको अच्छा लगेगा. This is the last example of today. So you'll see this one, and this semicircular portion as a front view. These ribs will be seen to be cut here. Then in top view, there will be a rectangle, bigger rectangle. This semicircular portion will be seen as a smaller rectangle. These two edges will be seen as rectangular edges, and the rib which is hidden will be shown like dotted line. जो आपको ऊपर से नहीं दिखेगा, that will be a dotted line. Similarly, for side view again, this portion, this internal radius will be shown as a dotted line. Okay, so I'm signing out. My mobile number is given. If you have any queries, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, I'm going to